Share with you a very cool way to find people, product or services with their image online. For instance, you want to buy a product and you have the picture of the product, but you don't know where to find it. You have a picture of someone and you want to know more details about them, or you have a picture of some services and you don't know where to find such services. Now, if you have this app, you can simply use it to search for those people, those products or services, and they will lead the app will lead you straight to where you can find them on maybe social media or maybe YouTube and so on. Okay. Now, if you want to download the app, you just quickly go to Play Store. Okay. Once you are on Play Store, you search for you search for search by image. Okay. You have to look for this search by image. Okay. Once you get here, you have to install to your phone. But as you can see, I already have this app on my phone, so I will just go ahead and open. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do here is to click on this plus icon at the bottom right. Now, you can see we have three options here. You can rather take photos of someone to search for them, or you want to, you can go to your gallery, your image gallery, or you can also click on the image link if you have a link you want to search. Okay. Now, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using image gallery. Okay. Now, this is my gallery. I have some pictures here, and let's go by searching for this lady. Okay. I want to know who this lady is and what platform she's registered in. Okay. Now, you just click on search at the bottom left. Okay. It will take you to this particular page. Then you have to click on this find image source. Find image source. Then you scroll down. So you can see this woman is on LinkedIn. This picture is on LinkedIn and on YouTube. Maybe she have a channel or something. Let's click on the YouTube link. Okay, she have a channel. So let's go back again and search for something else. If we want to search for something else, let's say we want to search for Donald Trump, for instance, we just select Donald Trump's picture, then you click on search. Okay, you can see it has already popped up you just find image source. You scroll down to see where this image actually has been used. Okay, it has been used in Instagram and so many other social media platforms. Okay, if you go back a little bit, you can see pictures that are kind of related. Okay, related pictures. So another thing you can do here, if you want to search for something else, maybe like a product, for instance, you want to search for a product, you can select the product you want to search for. Let's say I want to search for this product. You just click on search. Okay, it will lead you straight to where you can actually buy, where you can actually purchase this product. You can see the product is on AliExpress, is on Konga, is on so many platforms where they sell products. Okay, so that is how you find people, products, and maybe services. Let's take, for instance, we want to search for Let's just search for something else. Okay, let me go to my gallery again. Okay, I don't know what this image is. For instance, I want to search for this image. I want to know what the image has been used for. I will just click on the search button. Okay, so it will take me to all the platforms that this image has been used. Now you can see it's just showing me related image. So if you really want to get the source of this image, you click on find image source. So it will not take you to where exactly the image has been used. If this video was helpful, please kindly uh, subscribe to my channel